The Den by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brichta. The children were by the stream. Wilf had an idea. Wilf found some sticks. "Let's make a den," he said. "Put the sticks like this." They all found some sticks. Chip found lots of branches and Wilma found some straw. Biff found some logs. "We can sit on them inside the den," she said. The children sat in the den, but it began to rain. The rain splashed into the den. "I'm getting wet," said Kipper. "We are all getting wet," said Dad. "It's time to go." "Can we come back soon?" asked Biff. It rained all week. The children couldn't go out to play. They wanted the rain to stop. They wanted to go back to the den. The rain stopped. The children went back to the den. "Oh no," said Wilma. "We can't play in the den." "Shh," said Wilf. Like, share and subscribe Arsal Academy and press the bell icon.